A very good morning. So, today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is a botanical survey of India. So, here it is nothing but India has a rich and varied flora found in different types of vegetation, such as tropical, subtropical, temperate, alpine, and desert vegetation here. So, India is also considered as one of seven centers of origin of cultivated plants. Out of a quarter million species of vascular plants so far recorded. So, India has about 15,000 species estimated so far till now. So, the BSI, nothing but a Botanical Survey of India, is engaged in this survey study, utilization, and conservation of plants' wealth of the country. Its headquarters are the Central National Herbarium, Central Botanical Laboratory, Main Garden at Howrah, the Botanical Museum at Kolkata, and 9 regional circles or stations in different parts of a country, that are nothing but a Dehradun, Coimbatore, Shillong, Pune, Allahabad, Jodhpur, Port Blair, Gangkok, and a new Itanagar. So these stations also have regional herbaria with about 2 lakh species, nearly 250 new plants, that are nothing but a genera and a species, have so far been discovered and described, while more than 500 new records of plants have been found for our country. So, the Botanical Survey of India is a government organization. The main program of the survey is the preparation of a detailed account of the plant resources of the country in the form of national, district, and regional floras. So here it has started publishing new flora of India in the form of fossils for higher plants. So here the main history of a BSI is a from early historic times the vegetable resources of India had attracted people all over the world. The ancient Egypt first established vegetable and other sources trade with India, right? And then the Arabs, the Turks, and the Portuguese, the Dutch, the French, and finally the English started trade with India. So, towards the 18th century, there was a widespread interest in botanical collections in India, and large number of people, including missionaries, East India Company, Government of Bengal, Madras, and Bombay, were all actively engaged in valuable collections. In 1787, the East India Company set up a garden at Sibupur, Kolkata. So here the survey was formally constituted on 18th February 1890 under the designation Botanical Survey of India. This Sir George King, then Superintendent of Royal Botanic Garden, Sipur, was made as the ex officio director. So the name Sir George King, he is the ex officio director. So the country was divided into 4 botanical regions such as East, West, North, and South. So each under the changes of a regional director. During early stages of its development, the department conducted extensive surveys in different parts of the subcontinent, extending to Burma and Malaya Peninsula. So later several of its functions were taken over by other departments and survey work slowed down With the retirement in 1939 of Dr. C.C. Calder, the last incumbent to the post of director. So the activities of the department were reduced to the minimum. So here you can see BSI in Kolkata, the headquarters organization Howard and Central Botanical Laboratory Kolkata, and having a Central National Herbarium and Indian Botanical Garden, right? And also North Circle, South Circle, Central Circle, Andaman Andaman and Nicobar Circle, Regional Botanist Royal Botanic Garden, and also Eastern Circle, Western Circle, Arid Zone Circle, Industrial Section, Indian Museum. So this is the organization and circles of a BSI, right? So the main objectives of a BSI. So survey of plant resources of the country for preparing an inventory of a plant wealth in the form of national, regional and district floras. So development of the Central National Herbarium and the various regional herbara as repositories of the types and other authentic specimens. Development of the Indian Botanic Garden, the regional experimental gardens, the National Orchidera for the study, introduction and conservation of flora. So the development of the Central Botanical Laboratory and a botanical section of the Indian Museum for experimental studies on plants and popularizing their role in our lives, right? Assessment and care of threatened plants and studies on title known or new uses of plants, particularly among rural and tribal societies here. So next, Organization of Botanical Survey of India. The directorate is the survey of located at the Indian Botanic Garden and is headed by the director. He is assisted by a joint director, a deputy director, and a senior administrative officer and a senior scientist in charge of various divisions. The scientific, technical, and administrative units of the directorate run broadly as follows here: scientific flora, ecology, cryptogamous, plant chemistry, pharmacognosy, technical publication, documentation and library, drawing and photography, right? Administrative establishments, accounts administration, stories, security, right? Besides the directorate, there are the Central Botanical Laboratory, Central National Herbarium and Indian Botanic Garden at Howard, Industrial Section, Indian Museum is located at Kolkata. So these are the nothing but units, that scientific, technical and administrative units of a directorate, right? So this is about the BS and it is very important concept. Thank you.